Have you ever tried to insert text into an editor only to find it goes to the wrong place? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a common issue with the Froala Editor and showing you how to insert text exactly where you want it. I totally get it. You want to insert a string at the last caret position, but it keeps jumping to the end of the editor. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face similar challenges when working with editors. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, how can I insert a string into the Froala Editor at the last caret position when clicking a div? They provided some code but are still facing issues. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? The Froala Editor has specific behaviors when it comes to inserting HTML. Understanding how it handles caret positions is key to solving this problem. We'll break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you master the Froala Editor and make your text insertion seamless. To insert a string at the caret position in the Froala Editor, the user should first capture the current caret position. This can be done by using the Froala Editor's built-in methods. Next, the user should modify the click event for the div. Instead of directly inserting the string, they will insert it at the captured caret position. After updating the click event, the user should ensure that the string is inserted correctly. They can test this by clicking the div and checking the editor's content. Finally, if the user encounters any issues, they should check the console for errors and ensure that the Froala Editor is properly initialized. Fun fact, did you know that the first text editors were simple command line tools? We've come a long way since then, but sometimes the simplest tasks can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using Froala's built-in mechanism for handling external buttons. The user recommends binding a click event to the div elements. When a div is clicked, it retrieves the data value and inserts it at the caret position in the editor. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution involves using a marker to maintain the caret position. The user suggests inserting a marker at the beginning of your editing session. Then, after making changes, you can reference this marker to know where to insert your content. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution for inserting content at the caret position in Froala Editor involves saving the cursor position before opening a custom modal. The user suggests using the selection.save method to save the position, then restoring it before inserting the HTML. This ensures the content is placed correctly. The user also provides a full example in React, where they register a custom command. This command saves the selection, displays a dialog for input, and then restores the selection to insert the HTML. They mention that if this doesn't work, using a promise for the callback might help. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your editor is focused before inserting text. This small step can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to insert text at the correct position in the Froala Editor. Remember, focusing the editor is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Froala features.